Okay guys, maglalaro tayo. Part 2. Part 2 na ngayon, makakaibigan. So, galing tayo sa larong Marcel Very Bad. Ano kaya kung ayusin na natin yung natin. Ang bus natin. Hindi na niya kaya eh. Ano ba yan? San Isidro.
I told my friend I'd use Photoshop to touch up her photo, but let's just use Pixel Cut instead. So she said she didn't like the way she looked in a swimsuit. I'm gonna give her, let's go for a brown dress here. Oh, that looks great, actually. And then I'm gonna clean up some of the people on the beach, of course. Bye-bye. See you later. And so you can just see how powerful this photo editor is. Go download the app for free now and try it out.
Tas lang ito guys. Ayun, nare-repair na ang aking. Okay, good na aking. Preparing for the bus. Tara na, biyahe na tayo. Wala, ano nangyayari? Bakit ganito nagluloko talaga tong cellphone ko guys? Ano kaya nangyayari? Okay, part 2 atong video na to. Bunugiri, Surabaya. Eto na guys, cute. Okay, so magagawa tayo ng full video dito sa video na to. Tignan natin kung tatagal ng isang oras. Setup, starting. So, tara na, biyahe na tayo. 100% yung good health ng aking bus, kaya hindi ito pwede mabangga. Tara na, let's go. Let's go, malayo ang ating biyahe, pa solo pa. So, 2 oras. Higit ang biyahe natin. Grabe yung bilis nitong bus ko. Kaya nababangga. Welcome to Siko Hard through the next song of Mundiri, next song of Lead Destination. Wow, napakasolid ng ating biyahe. Grabe, part 2 yarn. Ganyo. Wow! Solid! Ang bilis ng ating takbo. Naparepair natin itong ating Ay, itong sasakyan natin kaya naka-success tayo. This is just solo. Harap ko na naman. Solo. Walang game. Iihi ako. Bilan mo ko ngayon ulit. Oo, kasha. Kasha. Sino yan? Hmm?
Sabihin na, 19.